Hi, welcome to Hawk Security. Getting started tutorial. Today we will go step by step a process of unlocking Hawk S Drive for the first time. Unlocking the S Drive. Note, until the S Drive is unlocked, it does not show in your computer's file manager, Explorer or Finder. First, connect the S Drive to your computer with a USB cable. Second, red and blue LED solid. Third, enter the user PIN. Fourth, press Unlock button, green and blue LED solid. The factory PIN for new drives is 112233. We strongly recommend changing the password once it is unlocked. If you have any question, please visit hawksecurity.net/support.